Hi everyone, I am Shaukat from Kerala. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to talk about Ramzan fasting. All the Muslim adult people have compulsory to take Ramzan fasting in their life. 1 month in a year, the Ramzan period, we have to keep Ramzan fasting in our life. It is compulsory. And before Subahi Bang, morning Subahi Bang, to until evening Maghrib prayer. This long time we can't drink water, we can't eat any food. It is the Ramzan fasting rule. And most of the people they keep Ramzan fasting there in their life. And not only that, when we keep fasting in our life, that time we should do all the good deeds in our life. We should avoid all the bad deeds in our life. If other months also we have to keep all the morality in our life, but especially Ramzan period we should do all the good deeds in our life. We should avoid all the bad deeds from our life, because Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam very clearly mentioned, if you ready to keep morality, all the good deeds in your life, only then you can keep fasting. Otherwise you will not get any reward from Allah. That's why we have to keep all the good deeds in our life. We have to avoid all the bad deeds from our life. We can do more charity, because especially the wealthy people, rich people, they have all the facility in their life, but they can also understand poor people struggling situation. When the wealthy people take fasting, that time this kind of people can understand poor people struggling, suffering situation. So many wealthy people they are ready to do charity more in the Ramzan period. And 1 month after complete 1 month, we will celebrate Ramzan Eid al Fitr celebration, because when we complete 1 month fasting, that time we will feel we accomplished. We accomplished 1 month fasting. Feel that we will feel that. That's why that time we will celebrate Ramzan Eid al Fitr celebration in our life. And most of the people they start to do good things in their life, the Ramzan period, and they will follow the good things after other months also in their life. Because in this month, Ramzan month, we have to do more voluntary prayers also in our life. Muslim people have compulsory to do 5 time prayers in their life. 5 times Salah prayer we have to keep in our life compulsory all the months. But and in this Ramzan period we have so many voluntary prayers also we have. So many people keep voluntary prayers also in their life in this Ramzan period. I also try to do more voluntary prayer also in my life. And we should do all the good things in our life. We shouldn't do any bad things in our life. But sometimes we also make mistake, because we are human being. That's why sometimes we will make mistake in our life. We are not angels. When we learn English, we make mistake. When we understand mistake, that time we will try to correct our mistake. The same manner, when we make any mistake in our life, mistake will happen. We are human being. But when we understand our mistake, we will try to fix our mistake. That's very good habit. And not only Muslim people, other people also have fasting. But I don't know other religious people fasting duration and rules and regulation. That's why I can't explain their fasting rules and regulation and duration. And so many people they do charity and so good deeds in their life in the Ramzan period, and after also other months also we have to keep all the good deeds in our life. We should do all the good deeds in our life. We shouldn't do bad deeds in our life. We can follow all the time good things only. That's better, because if we keep good things in our life, if we avoid bad things from our life, we get a peaceful mind, peaceful life. That's better. I gave some idea about fasting. Thank you so much. We will meet again. Bye.